Hey, what's up guys, it's CT, and today we have something that is changing the way we experience games and media. Now this particular device was released last year, however I finally got my hands on it. So today, we'll take a look at the Oculus Quest, what its capabilities are, and how I expect to see this product evolve over time. Also, a quick reminder, if you're still watching, please support my channel by hitting that subscribe button down below. Okay, so the Oculus has been around for 8 years now and has come a long way since it was initially released. The first customer version required the user to have a powerful computer that was capable of processing the 3D space and delivering it to the device. In addition, the user had to set up sensors around the room to ensure the 3D space around the Oculus could be processed. This isn't the most user-friendly thing to set up, but as with most technologies, things evolve and the Oculus Quest is the device that brings virtual reality or VR to the next level. So let's go ahead and check it out. The Oculus Quest is a standalone device. It's completely wireless, which means you don't have to mess with any cables. But even better, you don't need a PC. Well, you don't need it, but you can still use one, which we'll get into a little bit later. It's literally a game console you can wear on your head and take it with you anywhere. They even included a cool protective case for it. The Quest features two 1440 by 1600 OLED displays for each eye with a 72Hz refresh rate. For comparison, many computer screens have a 60Hz refresh rate. In terms of peripherals, there is a USB-C port for charging, a 3.5mm audio jack, an IPD adjuster so you can move the lens closer or farther away from your pupils, built-in speakers, and a volume rocker. Ensuring you get the right fit is important. Therefore, the headgear moves up and down to accommodate different head shapes. There's a sweet spot for perfect viewing, which you would need to get right. Setup is also quite easy. In order to avoid walking into your walls or couch, the Oculus has multiple cameras around the device that not only tracks your spatial motion, but allows you to see your surroundings. You can use this to set up a virtual wall anywhere, which you will see come up as you approach it. As I mentioned before, the Oculus Quest also comes with two controls for your hands. They are intuitive to use and can track things like gripping and holding and even extending your fingers. One thing to note is that these controllers are not rechargeable like the headset, and you will require a AA battery for each of the controllers, which is also included in the box. So how exactly is the Oculus Quest experience? Well, I will say that it's much more immersive than that of the Oculus Rift since you can take it with you anywhere. However, I played many of the games I did in the previous years with the Rift. Gameplay is spot on and the feeling that you're in another dimension really takes over after some time. You can even use it to work out. I can't stress enough the feeling you get once you use it. You literally are in the game and you use your entire body to move around. Another thing I'd like to note is that you can use the Oculus for much more than gaming. And that's another great use for this. You can watch YouTube videos, Netflix, and surf the web on your own personal display. It's like a virtual computer without the need for a monitor. Just imagine the endless possibilities that are capable. Imagine going to class from your living room, or visiting another country from your backyard, or even experiencing a concert from this device. The list just goes on and on. The Oculus has hit major milestones in less than 10 years. And I think it's just beginning. Just wait until hand tracking takes over and you no longer need the control. Better yet, just wait until the headset is small enough to fit like goggles. The technology is definitely cool, and I can't wait to see what advancements in VR are possible in another 10 years. How do you guys think VR will change? Let me know down below. But until then, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, support this channel by subscribing, and I will catch you guys in the next one.